G'day, my name's Jim, and today I'm going to be tearing down and hopefully resurrecting this Scarlett Solo after it spent 2 days under 4 metres of floodwater. G'day, my name's Jim. A few weeks ago, a wall of water washed away my town, drowning 22 people in their own homes and cars. People woke up in the middle of the night with water around their beds, 20 minutes later the top of their door frames. The water was so deep it went over the roof of my house, wiping out everything we own. On top of that, the insurance company told us to get stuffed. This is the story of me and my missus trying to rebuild our life from scratch. G'day, and on the chopping block today we have this brand new Scarlett Solo that I only purchased just a few weeks before the flood. I was planning on doing a review on this for the channel, but yeah, I guess I'm not going to be doing that now. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I have footage of this flood I'm always talking about if you'd like to see it. She was a bloody beauty. She was the largest flood in recorded human history, not by a little bit either. Went 2 metres or 6.5 feet in old money over the before record, so it sort of caught a lot of people off by surprise. The links are above and below if I remember. If not, go and check out the playlist tabs. Okay, so this little device here is for turning analog audio signals into a digital one. It's mainly used for microphones, but it can also be used for a guitar or keyboard. This little fellow I bought from eBay for about 200 Aussie dollars, and of course it's dropped by about 1/3 in price recently. Typical. So apart from pulling these off and finding a tripod so I can use 2 hands, I need to work out how to open this thing. It doesn't seem to have any screws or seams or clips or anything. Alright, let's rip its little feet off and have a look. Oh, no, it hurts. There you go. So at this part of the video, creators like to show a list of their Patreons to say thank you. Thanks, Mitch. Legend, mate. If you want to be a legend like Mitch, then check out the links below. You'll not only receive my undying gratitude, but you'll receive early videos and your name in lights. Well, LED. Yeah, light emitting diode. How does it open? I presume it slides open. Well, there we go. Okay. Oh, it scared me a bit then for a second. Oh, yuck. Look at that. Yeah. Look, I swear you would not think so much mud could get inside something. It's just unbelievable. The thing's fully sealed. It barely has a crack in it. So, well, it doesn't really look that incredibly bad, except for it's fully covered in shit and mud and God knows what else. Oh, shit. That's not good. Yeah, that's really bad. Check that out. I'll zoom in. Well, I might have left this a little bit too long. Unfortunately, I have so many other pieces of electronics and so many other bloody tools that need repairing from the flood. Unfortunately, it's taken me this long to get to it, and it may be just too long, unfortunately. So anyway, I just run this under some water, try and take off the big chunks of shit that I can, and then into a bath of warm, soapy water she goes. So I let it sit in there for about 20 minutes. The amount of shit that come off this thing is absolutely incredible. Even after I'd run it underwater, you can see all the mud and crap coming off it. So the next bit's going to sound a bit strange. I actually soak it in vinegar and I heat it up to about 40 degrees Celsius, and this is going to kill all that corrosion because I don't want this shit coming back. So after it's been soaked in there, then we're just going to dip it in some distilled water, give it a good rinse and everything like that, and then I'm going to sit it in the sun for a couple of days. So here we are, we put it all back together again, and unfortunately I sort of stuffed up a little bit. Because I put this in warm water, I didn't realise that these front panels are actually held on by some kind of glue, and it's melted this glue and it's gone all crazy, so it looks like it's actually bloody smashed on the inside, but it's not. It's just the glue running, unfortunately. I didn't realise it, so shit happens. So the only mic I have left after the flood is my podcaster, and it went under 4 metres of water too. So let's have a go at using that, shall we? This should be good.
Check 1, check 1, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check.
Well, there you go. Unfortunately, it's fucked. It sounds like crap, and it's not working properly. All I can do is put it back in and try and do it all again and see if that's going to work. If it does, I'll give you an update. Alright, well thanks for watching the video. Unfortunately it wasn't a very happy ending, but you get that. $2.50. Me love you long time. You all be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow.